Hi guys, today is the 5th of December 2019. There are only a few days left until Christmas, and in this video I'd like to review a perfect gift idea, and it's the foam leg wedge by Cheer Comfort. The box just arrived from Amazon, and well, let's look inside together how it looks like. As you can see, there is a practical and elegant carry bag and can be easily opened by a zipper. You can easily store it in a wardrobe or bring it yourself while traveling. So yeah, it's pretty neat. Let's take a look at the cushion itself. Wow, it really looks awesome. It's beautiful. It's the Cheer Comfort knee pillow. It's got a really beautiful, luxurious cover. Wow, it's really soft, nice. Did you know that the cover is made of extremely soft, removable fabric, bamboo? You can easily remove the fabric and just clean it in the washing machine, remove all the germs and grime, and just it's really nice. Under the cover, you have the really high quality memory foam. Look at this. I press it and there. My fingerprint just remains. Yeah, due to this high quality, dense memory foam, it gives excellent support to your legs. Will create perfect alignment to your knees and hips and provides the best night's sleep you've had in a long time. You tried everything, but nothing just seems to work. Sore joints, you have aching hips, sciatica pains. Imagine how much better it could be. Waking up without pains, just how energetic you can be with this. It's also great for pregnant women. It works to ease pregnancy pain when they're unable to sleep on their backs and they're just forced to sleep on the sides. As I mentioned, it's almost Christmas. It's a perfect gift idea. If you know someone who really needs a good night's sleep, this luxurious knee pillow could just be the perfect gift for them. Friends, family, anyone who's recovering from surgery or just suffers from lower back, hip, sciatica pains. This is a perfect gift for them. So if this video raised your interest and you'd like to buy one, go to Amazon.com, look for a Cheer Comfort knee pillow. Be quick. Last time I checked, it's only a limited amount available. So yeah, there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you next time in our next video. Bye bye.